Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and are you one of those people who immediately has to change into your comfy clothes as soon as you get home? For me, that is pretty much standard practice, but now I can skip the wardrobe change thanks to this Kallspin sweater. I am definitely a sucker for a great black sweater, and for me, this one looks totally elegant and chic. The cashmere and wool content in the fabric definitely contributes to that softness and warmth. It has a perfect V-neck that is very flattering, and it's not too plunging, so I don't feel too exposed when I'm wearing it. The sleeves are a perfect length on me and they fit snugly at my wrists. In addition to looking great and making me feel really put together, this sweater makes for an awesome, cozy, warm, insulating layer. But because it is so comfortable, when I get home, I am in no hurry to take it off. Whether I'm out and about getting things done or I'm just at home lounging, this sweater has proven to be warm, stylish, and so comfortable. And that's my point of view.